In hyperscale environments like AI training pods and HPC fabrics, the 400G QSFP-DD to 100G QSFP56 Breakout DAC is a critical tool for maximizing port density and reducing latency. This technical guide from Network Switch official details how to effectively channelize a single 400G physical port into 4 independent 100G links for in-rack or adjacent rack deployments. By utilizing short-reach copper assemblies, architects can connect high-performance GPU nodes and storage heads without the power overhead and cost of additional optics. The article emphasizes a high-discipline cabling workflow, including rigorous bend radius management, precise port mapping, and proactive signal integrity validation via FEC and CRC error monitoring. For data center engineers, standardizing these deterministic breakout links is essential for creating repeatable, scalable pods that maintain sub-500 ns latency. By following these professional cabling disciplines, Comm ensures that high-density AI clusters achieve maximum throughput and link stability under the most demanding workload cycles.